happy for somebody. Everything I should have me, I should have me, I should have me. This again what we must give thanks for. We must give thanks. Boy, I don't know what I'm going to eat tomorrow. But I'm still grateful. I'm still grateful. Heavenly Father, thank you for this day. Because I remember say, even me not do it sometime. I not give thanks to the food. Like when I done cook, eat it, I say give thanks. But you know, we must give thanks and say boy we able to provide. You know how much people can't buy KFC, all KFC for $1,300 or $1,400 for 3 piece. You know what people can't afford not even a pound of chicken. You know what people gas done and them can't afford to buy it, but them can't afford to buy a pan of coal, so them still give thanks. And enough away again, our mindset are all way down. So the breakthrough will come in our mind. We already get the breakthrough and we not even see so we get the breakthrough. We get a job and we are complaining about the job. Remember, you know, we get a job and we are complaining about the job and we never have no job. For we grateful say, we have the job you know and we are can't go work. But somehow, you know, when they on social media and when you see the girl in her man Benz, or when you see the girl go to Dubai and them shit pan her and she have her Benz. Remember, she have that stomach there fi take shit pan, or she have that stomach there fi a man piss in her face. She have that determination there. She have that heart there for them piss and shit pan her. So is you we don't have that mindset and that heart and that ego and that self-esteem for go take piss pan and shit pan for have a Benz. Why you not just alright with your little in-drive money? You have 5 bills and you pay the in-driver. Why you don't just alright with the in-driver money? Eh? Because you don't have that figure do. So leave that girl and make them go piss pan her. Remember saying some of we still have morals, you know. Some of we still have morals. You understand? Some of we still are wall out and are satisfied. You see satisfaction, because if nothing never satisfy you yet, nothing never ever satisfy you. When last you say you're satisfied? When last? And me at a man and woman, me not just talk woman alone, because the things that some man do now is like, I still have to talk and tell you, say, a woman is the greatest thing God put on the land. Woman is the greatest thing God put on this earth here. Because no care where them want build, them could have built the dolly them, rubber dolly them, it will never feel like a woman. No care what. Because alone rubber this. You can't pinch it and it say I. You can't have sex with it and you hear the moans and all of them something. They no care what. So woman is great. Can't do without woman. And woman cannot be replaced. Just like how them can't replace man. Them could have, where's something name? Rose little more. Every woman will have a rose still one little wood in her fire. You understand? Them can't. So we have to give respect where respect come from. You have to give respect. I will respect all women. And we will respect you, but you will not respect yourself. Big up every woman and respect themselves and you hold yourself to a higher standard. Big up yourself. Big up every man will respect themselves. Because what if people them not respect themselves? And remember, if you don't stand for anything, you're going to fall for everything. So you have to stand. And stand firm. Remember I talk, you know. But I feel like me just come on this and I feel like, no, but boy, I can't come tell me, say, oh, go and go do that and go and go do that. I respect me daily. Because if you want respect, you have to show respect. Lisa tell us she find peace there from she cut off a whole heap of people. Easy. Inga. Pick up yourself. Remember that. But me just say to you say, remember you know, we love woman. And why me always tell us say we love woman? Most of the man them like, me not gonna say most, enough man, them a put them woman at risk. Because them a go with the next. Like a next person like themselves. For find pleasure and joy. After them have them nice wife with her nice fat front. Saying this a woman have her nice fat front and her nice breast them. Some woman have some nice breast and them have all two pitney. Girl breast nice. Move with a nice breast, blood. Your breast nice, girl. But some man no see that say the woman breast nice because him saying 20 years me there with this a girl or me there with this a girl 7 years. And can't bother, yo, me not a suck breast thing, but yet still him out at one place a suck something else. Now suck him wife breast because it might not stiff again. But you try remember this. And me have to tell you this, and this is the real thing. Never you tell a woman say, no man now go want her after you left her. Because remember you are not the last man on earth. You try remember that. And if she have 2 pitney, try remember say a man will take her up with 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 10. You hear me say, man? You see we ego, wicked lax. We ego as man. True, sometimes things are going for we and we have money and we feel like say, girl tell you say we cute out the road and girl tell you say we nice. Try remember the same girl we tell you say you're nice, we tell you say you're big and stink. Move and lick your chip. You understand? Because remember everybody body go through changes in a DD. Everybody body go through change. After none of we not look the same when we was like 15 and 18 and 25. We not look the same. Some of we did stay bad when we younger. Just listen to that part here. Some of we did look worse when we were younger because we couldn't afford certain things. But now we can afford certain things. We look way better. While some of we grew out to young age. We grew out with looks. We grew out certain things. We not age gracefully. And we can testify to that. Not for we not age gracefully. You understand? That's why you see a whole heap of people so insecure now. Because them all reminisce back on the picture when them was 25 or before them have children. Some of them regret the picture them because them say, Lord, look on my belly. Look on the picture yeah, me was 25 that time. You look on my belly, it flat. And the one Jake1 just come and mash me up. Me regret some breed. Fucking idiot. For they know say the best blessing this you could ever get in life. Because Jake1 born and nice and just full of joy and everything. Jake1 change your life. Jake1 make you have to go be a mother now. Jake1 make you find your way now. And you cuss blood clot. Jake1, you dirty blood clot. Move. You hear me say? Just always remember say when you bring forth life, you have to make life worth it. Because they must say life is just for living. But you have to make life for live. And why me have to say we're grateful, you know? Every time you look on social media, especially when you look on all the stories and see all one woman, what do you see one woman at 10 people the woman have? And the woman was burned down. And they must say a contraceptive them should have give her because she love fuck and she go breed up. Me listen to the woman and me understand where she come from. The woman say, if I never asked for any help because my house was burned down, nobody wouldn't know about me. Because she have her 10 pitney and them that live alright. She did her work and she never dead for hungry. I burn her house burned down. Right? That the woman they have 10 pitney and she have a husband. The woman have a husband. And you so cute and nice and neat and all know you never have a man where you can say some man here. So who is you for judge? That's why them said judge not your own. And if you live in a glass house, don't throw stone. Zane, sometimes when you're looking at some comment and you look at some people, and you say, oh, them people are comment so. All she we are comment and talk about spice. You know, for one girl with the this, you know, me soon I burn out spice, you know. And I talk all kind of thing about spice, you know me and spice a friend, you know. And me soon I comment on the page, them and I bash spice, you know. And me swear to God, you don't look better than spice. Me don't know who about you up, but you don't look better than spice. Not because me and spice a friend, but no found out when they on that page right now when me see a burnout spice. You don't know no blood clot self coming over here. Me see when a burnout spice, I don't look better than spice. That's why I tell you so you have to look in at the mirror a little more, you know. You have to look in at the mirror a little more. Leave out spice richness out of this. Leave out spice richness. Just leave out the part outside. Just never put the part in it. We are talking about looks now. We are talking about looks now. Looks now we are talking about. Look by yourself right now. Turn on your phone by yourself or go in your bathroom if you have a bathroom and go look by yourself and look if you look better than Spice. You just look right now if you look better than Spice because you're going to say Shensi look better than Spice, who look better than Spice and who look better than Spice. Do you look better than Spice? Do you look better than Spice? Everybody look better than Spice except you. Everybody look better than Spice except you. You. Everybody, you know, look better than Spice except you. You. But again, I saw the world stay. Remember say we know. I remember say me see the whole I comment them and me not have to carry on the name to Spice because me not do that. Me just know say the internet and I saw it stay upon a good day. But let me tell you something what me I go do. Anytime me and Spice then away, and me soon ever come try to take a picture with Spice. That is when me I go tell Spice that she not like you. Anytime. Because remember say, I can't play the hypocrite for no, so I see up on a page about short Spice. And then you see Spice and I come talk about your bestie. Move your blood clot. I'm not having it. That's how me never have. You never take no picture with Spice and me there. Me not do it. Or just that me I tell you. Just go and go to your favorite who you love and everything. But you just don't. I don't know who me attack. Who step on this right now. I don't know. I don't have to call on the name. I don't know. I don't know. That's all me I say. Me not tell Spice black no. I just say, don't come to take a picture. Don't come to say nothing. Just pick up yourself and continue to show your shades. Okay? Alright. That's all I'm saying. Anyway, back to giving thanks. Give thanks when I go on yet. Give thanks when it soon happen. And give thanks when it happen already. And big up all who for age come off of the calendar. Una sister, una not dead. Una sister, una still alive. Una see it. Una see it. Una never want to age come off of the calendar. Una never want to age come off of the calendar. Remember 31 most of the calendar. Wait name. February of 28, sometime 29. And I remember saying now, someone at 35, someone at 40. So this is what we feel give thanks for. And Let me tell you this. I want enough wish from people. Sickness is a thing whenever I wish it from people, because remember, none of we are iron. I remember even iron get rusty. So, big up on yourself. Big up your health. And big up your strength. Sickness is a thing we can take anybody. It's just like a man have a car and them say the car old because the car is a 1997 car or the car is a 2000 car. Remember me see Benz broke down on the highway when me I go watch it. I overeat. Light come on in night and them have to pull over. Run out of aisle. Engine mash up. Then just because it's a bimmer, we say, yeah man, that bimmer deck look good. It look good on the outside. Just like our whole heap will look physically strong. But inside you saw, not strong. Diabetes can happen to anybody. You can catch that at a late age. You can catch all asthma at a late age too. You don't have to born with none of these sickness, but you can catch them because the whole life I go now, everything where we are going, our body can take a toll upon it at times. Everything. Everything. When people are telling me about me for go lose some weight, me too big and me fat and me this and me that and me sour and all kind of thing. And me I look on this person here, I tell me all of this. I remember one girl it come over upon my page after I put up one little baby and the baby fat. And the girl write a long episode, one girl with something her name sitting on the British or England. I don't know the girl from nowhere and the girl come on. And she go on. Remember say me could have follow her up, you know. But me block her. Me block her, you know. Because it takes too much for you to argue with people. It takes too much for you to argue with people. See? It takes a whole heap out of you. Because me ain't a bad man, you know. Remember, me a fool. Me ain't a bad man. But me know some can juke somebody in them eye. I know me can juke somebody in them eye. I know that. Because it does take one finger for go suck. Go suck yourself and juke in the eye. And you can't see. And when you can't see, Lord, my eye is bad for your eye. So, me not have to big and strong and, you know, and tough and fling on the ground. I know me can juke somebody in them eye. So, move your blood clot and go in your eye. And joke you in there. One little joke. Then we are hard joking like you want to pluck out the virus. Move your dirty blood clot. There. See? I know it's a psycho. So you don't have to be a bad man. You're big Farid. Because you don't know. And everyone away. If I lose weight, I look good. Remember, I'm born nice, you know. Remember, I'm born nice. See? So, you have to just remember, saying all of we bless certain way where we can look good in any position. You understand whether we slim or whether we fat? Because the craveness people them is the MAGA people them. The craveness people them. You ever see a fat man in a one place a fight for food yet? All the while when you see the KFC video them come out and people are fight over KFC and a war in a KFC. You never see a fat person in there yet? A fighting on the line. Now always the slim people them. Just think back and look. Anybody we can remember all of the video them we see on the internet. Not be a slim people that cost for food. You never see a fat person that cost for food yet? You never see a fat man or a fat woman that cost over food in a no food establishment yet. Always a MAGA person. Always a MAGA girl or a MAGA boy. He's a mocha. It's always them a fight over KFC. Always. Me not like that dirty girl in a tasties. Look how the girl mess up my order. And when you look at the girl who like the dirty girl at KFC, the girl weigh about 75 pounds. The girl weigh about 75 pounds. When you look at all the boy we are cost the girl over the counter, big pussy girl, a girl I want to. No long me there you not sell me. And you look at you say, look at the MAGA youth here, size 28 time waist. And the pants still a drop off of him. 28 waist. And you there wear big 40 jeans pants. And you not fight over the food, you wait patiently so. Patiently you wait. And the MAGA people are cause over food. MAGA people are the craveness people ever. And you have to wonder where the food go. You have to wonder where did the food go. Maga people eat have all one box of pizza, Little Caesar pizza. One box. You carry out all a maga girl. And when you look at the girl a order. The girl a order. And when the girl goes to mama, she said, listen me, I want the crab legs. I want the shrimp scampi. And for the side order, I want 12 wings. I remember the girl box for the whole of that. And when dessert time come, the girl want cheesecake, she want bread pudding, and she want ice cream. Maga girl, you never see fat people do that yet. You know what I mean? But that's a show, no? And the world is in trouble. Watch out. My daughter call me. What me do people in her life? Anyway, my daughter call me. Hold on.